Oh my god, look at the tailgate. The fucking tailgate's off. Steve. He's literally running over the tailgate. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? As you guys probably can tell, I'm at Steve's house. And, well, we're going to take a look at the Duramax here first. Steve's got it all ripped apart. Pieces pretty much everywhere. And it was a water pump, guys. He will be making a video on him tearing apart the Duramax, but it definitely was a water pump. It looks like the seep hole of the water pump was leaking its little ass off really, really bad. It must have been leaking for a while because freaking I mean, look how just dirty it is up here. So it must have been, it had to have been leaking forever and ever and ever out of the seep hole and stuff. So wow, he took my fan off like that. That's interesting. So he's getting the water pump today at some point when he wakes up. But yeah, so he'll be fixing the Duramax. Duramax is going to be up and running hopefully in the next day or two. Freaking, I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited. So the next thing I want to show you really quick here, and I can't show you what's behind me because that's going to be here in a little bit. But yeah. So as you can see, the Z51 off-road 1500 bumper, tailgate, the rear window is now busted out of it right there. But this is just totally destroyed. And basically the reason for it being destroyed is let's get over here. If you guys seen the Instagram post and the Snapchats, if you haven't, follow me on Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Follow me on Snapchat at Diablo Formula. But yeah, that happened last night about 1 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, his truck is no longer clean at all. It is totally demolished. We have like stuff in here. We have nothing but junk under there. And let me show you the front of the truck underneath, because you guys are gonna be like, holy smokes. Get down here. But this is the front right here. As you can see, get out of my face, Diesel. Get out of my face. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's a wreck. She is a wreck. But yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is I recorded with my phone because I didn't have my GoPro on me last night. And I'm gonna show you guys what we did last night. What caused the damage to the 1500. What caused all the crazy mess on this truck right here, guys. So let's play the footage now. The Duramax? Steve, do you need me to get the Duramax?
Yeah, they're 40.
Holy shit, dude.
Wow. It sank fast.
Dude, I'm covered in mud. I don't want to be here when he fucking spins, man. Oh my god. Dude, you're done, man. You ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere, buddy. You're fucking done, boss.
I don't want to be wet.
Oh my god. Steve's doing burnouts now. The Jeep's out. We definitely got the Jeep out with the GMC. GMC got the Jeep out, which is awesome. Steve is now trying to get a chain attached to his front bumper here. This is on my phone, guys, so I hope this quality is good enough for you. Oh shit. So Steve, what exactly are you trying to do, buddy?
I'm sliding. Hang on to me. Dude, you let me go under. Why don't you throw the chain in the water?
Oh my god. How do you feel about all this going on right now? Okay,
Thanks,
cool.
Andrew.
I'm just checking how, seeing how.
You know what? This is better than sitting at home beating your dick.
Definitely. Wouldn't it be crazy if the fucking GMC 5.3 liter pulls this fucking thing out of the fucking mud? I'm a coming.
Yep. Look how fucking
Holy shit, dude.
that bed rail's kinked that way. This one's kinked up.
That's fucking ripped, dude. That's fucking done.
So somebody jump in there and back it up. We got no choice.
Yeah,
Like,
Matt.
at this point, it doesn't even matter.
Back the truck up.
Hard left.
Steve, you think you're gonna get out of that shit, Steve?
At least Princess's Jeep is out.
Princess's Jeep is out. Where's the Jeep at?
Tell him to roll it down then.
He's down there. Yeah, roll that Jeep out of the way, man.
Roll the Jeep down.
Like, try to roll it down. That way you're not in the way.
At least my truck has power and I like.
Yeah.
My fucking shoes are getting messed up. I got mud. Poor Beaver. Fucking look at this shit. This poor guy.
Turn the. Yep.
Whoa! Oh, shit. Here's the F450. Totally submerged. Headlights under the water.
He can't get the Jeep started.
He ain't gonna get that Jeep started. Oh, he got it running!
Jeep running.
Dude, he got it fucking running!
Good. Put him on the front of the
On the front of this.
Oh, shit! I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the Jeep to run. Like, he was totally submerged in the water. And I was not expecting that. What's that?
The only thing I did was stall.
He got something wet. You can smell a lot of fuel, and it has a lot of fuel in it, though.
Yeah. Probably try to start.
So,
for
Steve,
Shut up. I don't even want to talk about it.
yank it good. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, where's Jane go? Oh, okay. That was kind of sketchy. I don't know why the fuck he drove in. He's literally in the water at this point.
Back up a little bit. Just give it hell. Wait until my tires start spinning.
Let him start spinning and then go. Keep going, Steve. There, go now. Shit. He is not getting the fuck out of there. Steve, you better be in 4-wheel drive, buddy. He's going for gold.
No.
Holy shit. Oh, fuck. He's going for... Holy shit. Holy shit. And Steve's engine hoist fell the fuck out the back of the damn bed of the truck. Oh my god, the back window's broken. The fucking engine hoist is still on the ground.
Other way. Yeah.
Oh my lord. This is terrible. This is why I don't hang out with Send Steve, guys. He's definitely tugging it. Oh my god, look at the tailgate. The fucking tailgate's off.
Steve!
He's literally running over the tailgate.
Steve, can you put it in reverse and back up?
The tailgate go.
You're on it. You drove over it.
What about the taillights? What about the
The
taillights?
taillight's taking the fuck off, man.
Can we hook your Jeep to the rest of this?
I found the tailgate.
Think about that tailgate or your friend in the fucking passenger seat. Yo, just when we keep yanking you forward, we have no fucking choice. Then that's what we're gonna do.
Fix that taillight, sir. You're fucking buried. Holy shit. Engine hoist.
All smooth on it. How much did you pay for this truck?
Oh god.
Hey, come here.
Keep going, just turn it around.
Look what this says.
What's it say?
No hitch.
Service brake system.
And we had to get a tow truck because Steve's shit is fucking trash junked. His truck is stuck. I actually went home and Steve got dressed because he was all soaking wet. Definitely want to thank Mars for coming out and saving Steve.
So mad.
Wow.
Broke that. Just come right out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook that one down. I'm all sticking together. Let me jump in, grab the brakes.
You gotta turn the wheel because it's turning to the left. Dude, look at the front of your truck, Steve. Steve, you do not want to look at the front of your truck, buddy.
I don't want to look at any of my truck.
It is fucking terrible. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god. Keep going. I don't want any parts of any of this. Wow.
Steve, how you feel right now, buddy?
I'm very upset. Very upset to say the least, guys.
Oh my god. That is terrible, guys. Well, the truck is out of the hole. We're pretty much going to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.